over 50. 5 exercises to improve hips and circulation. Stop this daily mistake, senior wellness. What? If the stiffness in your hips and that heavy feeling in your legs had almost nothing to do with your age, and everything to do with one thing you do every single day without thinking, stay with me. Because what I'm about to share might completely change how you feel by the end of this week. Intro Plus. Subscribe CTA. Welcome back to Senior Wellness, the channel dedicated to helping you move better, feel stronger, and live fully at every age. If you're new here, I'm so glad you found us. Hit that subscribe button right now and tap the bell so you never miss a video like this one. And if this helps you today, please share it with someone you love, because this information could genuinely change their life. Now, let's talk about what's really happening inside your body after 50. The real problem. Most people blame aging for hip stiffness, poor circulation, and heavy, tired legs. But here's the truth. The real culprit is sitting. When you sit for 4, 5, 6, or more hours a day, you're quietly compressing the very pathways your blood needs to flow freely through your hips and legs. Over time, muscles tighten, joints stiffen, and circulation slows. Research from Harvard Medical School and the CDC confirms that prolonged sitting is directly linked to reduced blood flow, decreased mobility, and accelerated discomfort as we age. But here's the encouraging part. This is not permanent. Your body, even in your 60s or 70s, is incredibly responsive to the right kind of movement today. I'm walking you through 5 gentle, proven exercises that stimulate circulation, release hip tension, and restore mobility. No gym, no equipment, no pain, just smart, consistent movement. The 5EXERC ECCCE Y size 1 glute walk, seated hip shift. Sit on a mat with legs extended. Sit tall, arms forward for balance. Now walk forward by shifting your weight from hip to hip, right, left, right, left. Your heels glide lightly along the floor. This rhythmic motion pumps blood directly into the pelvic and hip region. Do this for 30 to 60 seconds forward, then reverse. You may feel gentle warmth building. That's circulation waking up. Exercise to Sumo. Stretch inner thigh opening. Stand with feet slightly wider than shoulder width, toes turned out naturally. Hands on thighs for support. Slowly lower into a gentle dip, not a deep squat, and pulse softly up and down just a few centimeters. Exhale down, inhale up. This dynamic movement acts like a pump, pushing fresh blood into the inner thighs and groin. Repeat 4 to 5 times. Go smaller if needed. No pain, ever. Exercise 3. Pendulum hip joint decompression. Stand beside a wall, one hand resting on it for balance. Let your inside leg hang freely. Lift your knee gently forward. Then let the leg drop. Don't control the fall. Let gravity swing it naturally. This creates a light traction effect, gently separating the hip joint, reducing compression, and restoring range of motion. 10 repetitions per side. Loose, easy, relaxed. Exercise for towel squeeze inner thigh activation. Sit upright in a chair, feet flat. Roll a towel and place it between your knees. Gently squeeze for 2 seconds. Release for 2 seconds. Exhale on the squeeze. This simple isometric contraction rebuilds inner thigh and pelvic floor strength, muscles critical for balance, hip stability, and daily function. 10 reps, 1 to 2 sets. Exercise 5. Figure 4. Stretch deep hip, release. Lie on your back. Cross your right ankle over your left thigh, forming a 4 shape. Reach behind your left thigh and gently pull both legs toward your chest. Hold Senling Losha seconds. Breathe slowly in through the nose, out through the mouth. This targets the piriformis, the deep hip muscle most responsible for that locked, heavy feeling. This is the exercise people skip and regret skipping. Practice these 5 movements daily for 2 to 3 weeks and pay attention to how your body responds. Lighter steps, easier mornings, less stiffness. Small changes that compound into real transformation. If this helped you, please give this video a like right now. It helps more people find this content. Share it with a friend or family member who needs it, and subscribe if you haven't already. Your body has carried you through everything. Now it's your turn to take care of it. I'll see you in the next one.